Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by measuring ingredients for a balanced vegan coleslaw. 4 cups shredded green and purple cabbage, and 1 cup shredded carrots for crunch and color. In a mixing bowl, whisk 1/2 cup vegan mayo, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, and 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard until smooth. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and 3 tablespoons chopped parsley. Then taste and adjust acidity or sweetness in small increments to reach a bright, balanced dressing. Pour the prepared dressing over the shredded vegetables and toss with a spatula until every strand is evenly coated. This ensures flavor in each bite. For best texture and melded flavor, let the coleslaw rest in the refrigerator for 20 to 30 minutes so the cabbage softens slightly and the dressing penetrates. Before serving, taste again and add 1/4 cup toasted sunflower seeds for crunch or 2 tablespoons chopped scallion. Finish with a squeeze of lemon or 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar if brightness is needed. Serve the vegan coleslaw chilled as a side or sandwich topping, ideally within 4 hours to preserve peak crunch and color. Beyond that, it softens but remains tasty. To store, place leftovers in an airtight container and refrigerate for up to 4 days, stirring briefly before packing to redistribute dressing and prevent separation. If texture or flavor dulls, refresh with 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar for brightness or 1 tablespoon vegan mayo to restore creaminess. Then let sit 10 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.